Hello,
Assalamu alaikum.
may I talk to you?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, doing great. What's about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
There are some boys playing cricket and also there are some boys playing football at the corner of field. You can see. And why are you here?
Oh, I'm doing outdoor class. It's time to our outdoor class session. That's why I'm here and doing outdoor class.
Maybe you are stranger. I didn't know you before.
No, it's time to our outdoor class. That's why I'm coming here and doing outdoor class.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Oh, I come from Sirajganj.
Sirajganj.
Do you know Sirajganj?
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah. Where do you come from?
I'm from Feni and now I'm living at Mohammadpur in Dhaka. You know Mohammadpur?
Yeah.
Yes.
I know Mohammadpur very well, but Mohammadpur is very robber area.
Yeah, it's too bad. Uh, I know that. But Mohammadpur housing society is too good. You know housing society?
Yeah, I know.
Housing society is situated behind the Sonali field.
Oh.
Like Shiamos, do you know Shiamos?
Yeah, I know the CMS.
Yes. And also my house is situated behind the Shia Mosque,
Yeah.
Mohammedia Housing Society.
I understand. Okay. I have a question for you.
Yes, sure.
When you passed your SSC? When you passed SSC?
In 2020, I passed my SSC exam.
Oh, that's great.
And you?
Oh, my SSC batch was 2015.
2015.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. You are.
Are you diploma holder?
Yeah, I have completed my diploma graduation from Kumila Polytechnic Institute. You know Kumila Polytechnic Institute?
Yeah, I know Kumila Polytechnic Institute very well.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, bro. I'm excited for about talking about to you.
Yeah, I'm also.